How to fix Microsoft Teams error 5NLHG in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Sign out and sign back into Teams. Temporary authentication glitches can prevent Teams from verifying your account, leading to sign-in errors. Signing out and back in refreshes the session and may resolve the issue. Corrupted cache files can interfere with Teams sign-in process, causing errors like 5NLHG. Clearing the cache forces Teams to rebuild these files with fresh data. Delete all the content in this folder. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, corrupted credentials stored in Windows can confuse Teams during sign-in, causing the error. Clearing them removes problematic entries and allows a fresh login attempt. Locate and remove any stored credentials related to Microsoft Teams. Restart Teams and re-enter your login details. Network issues, such as unstable connections, can block Teams from reaching Microsoft servers, resulting in sign-in errors. Verifying your connection can help. Select Teams from the list and click Next. Pick I can't sign into Teams when asked to select the problem you are facing, then click Next. Follow the prompts to finalize the process.